Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and I believe this icon is connected with the timer. Let's tap on it. It's portrait mode, so it is not the timer, unfortunately, because I hoped that we will have the shortcut for it, but if not, we have to simply tap on this kind of arrow icon to open more options. And as you can see, the second section is connected with the timer. We've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, simply tap on the option. Right now it is highlighted, which simply means that it has been set. All we have to do is to tap on the shutter button. And right now your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, of course, if you want, you can turn it off just by tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.